It's Ice Cream Beauty Box time. So if you want to see what's in the March, which you probably have already seen, I'm just late to filming it, Ice Cream Beauty Box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben aren't with me right this minute, but Chloe will be here in a few. Not for this video, for my next one. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Ice Cream Beauty Box. I put off filming it every month because I always think that I am going to do a try on with you. And then I just run out of time. So this is $25. I think it just went up a few bucks to maybe $29, but you are getting an eyeshadow palette from an indie brand in every box. So March's theme is beauty and art. Here is your sneak peek. I'm going to go ahead and grab everything out and then we'll go over everything. All right, so the first thing, I'm going to start with the last thing and go up because I like to do the palette last. This is the Duochrome Loose Pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and it's in this green. This is a $10 value. If you love bold, dramatic shifts, this loose pigment is about to become your new favorite. It's ultra pigmented, ultra sparkly, and ultra gorgeous. Mixed with a clear gloss to create a custom duochrome lip color. Oh, I can already see the shift in there. You guys aren't going to be able to. But it's like a dragon shift, so it's like a green to purple. So you're definitely seeing the green. When I turn my hand this way, I have the purple, but I don't think I'm capturing it or doing it justice, but it definitely goes from a green to a purple, so it's that kind of perfect dragon duochrome. Next, by ZC Cosmetics, we have a liquid eyeshadow. This is a $20 value. You want to blend while it's still wet. If you do it after it dries, you're going to get patchiness. Oh, it goes very nicely. It does say that it's meant to go with the other items in the box as far as shade wise. All right, and again, that's a $20 value. Next, by Charmacy, we have their CMC Enchanted Duo Lip Gloss. And Charmacy is a cruelty-free brand. I feel like all the brands that we get in here are cruelty-free. And you can get it on Amazon. They have their own Amazon shop. Now, not that I'm a big advocate for, going on to Amazon and buying stuff, but sometimes you can get stuff that you can't find in other places. And so you're still supporting this small business that has a shop on Amazon. Because to the best of my knowledge, this hasn't made it into the big beauty stores like Sephora and Ulta. So this is a $15 value, and it says, why choose between a gloss and a lipstick when you can have both? One side delivers a highly pigmented matte, while the other provides a glossy, multi-dimensional finish. All right, so here is how she looks. This side is so super sparkly. Ooh, that's a nice berry color. And this side is a brush, and I do like a brush gloss. Ooh, it's a duochrome too. It's like a pink to gold, which you can kind of see in here. And there it is right there. And I do like how she kind of matches things to the palettes. Now, this month we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. And it wasn't like a choice, you got both. So the first one I do have, it's by Base Blue. I don't want to open it up, and mine is at home, so I'm going to pop a picture in it. But the eyeshadow itself is the girl with the pearl earring. So it's just so neat and so interesting. This is I feel like it's kind of, base blue is kind of pricey. Yes, it's a $53 value. And it says this cool neutral eyeshadow palette contains toned browns, gray, blue, red, yellow, etc. Create a subtle sunset look, red and yellow, a smoky eye, or mix in some other featured products for a more colorful look. Last, by Clarity Cosmetics. I think that's what that says. Clarity Cosmetics. This is a $30 value. This is their first time in this box and the first time for me ever trying it. It's a Black-owned independent brand that hand makes all of their products. That's right, all of these palettes are handcrafted by their small team for you to try. And these are animal test free, PETA certified, and vegan. And it does say handmade by Clarity Cosmetics, Port Arthur, Texas, USA. Or at least that's the distributing place. So I'm going to guess that it's also made here in the United States. Look at that gorgeousness. So I am going to put them all here for you so that you can see. Let's see. And I'm going to start with this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we have Window to My Soul and Crystal Clear. Oh, look at that duochrome. You could see that. All right, next, those two mattes. So we have Pain in the Glass and Picture Perfect. And then Window Pane and Tinted Love. So the top two are your duochromes. The bottom two are, I don't know if they're shimmer or foils. And then the middle two are your, I should darken those up for you, are your mattes. All right, there we go. Oh no, this is a duochrome too. I'm seeing that flip now. So that bottom one might be two. Can't quite tell. I feel like there's like a purple undertone in there. All right, so absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. And I love that they work with these small independent companies. So you're always going to get like just some really interesting things that you're not going to find at your local store. Look, I am so swatched up. But these colors do all go with these colors, as you can see. So you definitely have like a nice put together look. Now, are these colors dark? They are. Can you lighten them up? Absolutely. I went in with my fingers. It's going to be much darker. I would definitely wear this palette to work, but I would use a brush to get like those darker colors. Like I would use that brown out here. I would use this one right here, right in here. I would use this for my all over eye, and yeah, create a nice look with it. And there's plenty of other combinations. If you wanted to go with the greens, you could certainly do that too. But I think, you know, if you use a brush, you're going to get plenty of use out of this for an everyday. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.